Chemistry House presents Conceptual Questions in Green Chemistry. What is green chemistry? Green chemistry is the study of the design of chemical processes, products and technologies that reduces or eliminates the use and generation of hazardous substances. What is an ideal chemical reaction? An ideal chemical reaction is safe, simple, selective, high yield, and energy efficient. An ideal chemical reaction uses renewable or recyclable raw materials and it does not produce any hazardous product. What are benefits of using biomass as feedstock? Biomass is a renewable feedstock, contributes no net carbon dioxide to atmosphere, helps in conserving fossil fuel, generation of chemical products from what is otherwise considered waste. What is a supercritical fluid? Supercritical fluid refers to a chemical produced by heating a gas above its critical temperature or by compressing a liquid above its critical pressure. Supercritical fluid possesses solvent power of liquids and transport property of gases. What are advantages of ionic liquids? Large working temperature range from -50 degrees centigrade to 300 degrees centigrade, low vapor pressure, high solvation power, non-inflammable, relatively inexpensive to synthesize. What are goals of green chemistry? To reduce adverse environmental impacts by proper feedstock selection, to develop chemical processes based on renewable raw materials, to develop the products that are less toxic. What are advantages of solvent-less systems? Environment friendly, as no toxic solvent is used. Ease of purification, as no solvent removal after the reaction. High reaction rate. Low cost process. What are advantages of microwave heating? Uniform heating occurs throughout the material. Speed of chemical process is increased. Reduction in unwanted side reaction. Low operating cost. What are the characteristics of ideal green solvents? They have the reactivity which fits the reaction. They allow for easy precipitation or separation of the product. They have minimal environmental impact. They safely degrade or evaporate after the use. They have small ozone depletion potential. They have low toxicity and flammability. What are characteristics of green reaction methodology? It is atom economical. It uses green feedstocks such as biomass and natural oil. It uses environment-friendly reagents, biocatalysts, and microorganisms. It requires less energy by carrying out reaction at ambient conditions. It is based on natural processes such as fermentation or biometric synthesis. It has high yield and more selectivity. What are safer or greener chemicals? Safer or green chemicals are recyclable or biodegradable after use, inherently safer with regard to accident potential. Safer to atmosphere, it means they do not deplete ozone layer and they do not form smoke and they are less toxic. How energy consumption can be minimized in a chemical reaction. The energy consumption can be minimized in chemical reactions by use of catalysts, ultrasound and microwave assisted chemical reactions, exploring chemical reactions at ambient temperatures, reducing the number of steps involved in chemical reaction. It means using alternate green synthesis. What are the differences between green chemistry and environmental science? Environmental science identifies sources, explains mechanisms, and quantifies problems in the Earth's environment. Green chemistry aims for the design of chemical processes and products that reduces or eliminates the use and generation of hazardous substances. Green chemistry aims to prevent pollution before it is created. Green chemistry and environmental science are complementary to each other. What is the significance of dimethyl carbonate in green chemistry? Dimethyl carbonate is used as a methylating agent. It is non-toxic and biodegradable, hence it is considered as a green solvent. What are immobilized solvents? Immobilized solvents are those which are attached to a polymeric backbone so that they become less mobile, hence they are less likely to volatilize and are easily removable after the reaction. This is a chemistry house presentation. For more information, keep watching Chemistry House.